Hello 3D fans. You are watching Hichem-tech, and today I will show you how to create a normal map. To do that you need a small program named njob. You can download it from the link down in description. When the download is finished, run njob. Then, click open. Now select the image that you want to edit it. Now go to filter, and select height map to normal map. Now, we have to save it. To do that, just click on file, then save as. Now, write the file name, and select its format, then click save. Now our normal map is ready for using in any 3D software. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.